Hey guys, Saturn here with another sampling video. More sour stuff, yay! Lately the sour stuff hasn't been too sour, so pause cross that these aren't too bad. But Warheads, Ooze, Chewz, ropes. Yeah. Filled with Ooze. Mary Cherry and Jolly Apple. 'Cause it's Christmas. I mean, even Pikachu knows it's Christmas. Right, Pikachu? Pika, Pika! Alright. So let's look at this. Just what you expect from Warheads. Sour chewy candy that oozes detectable filling. I need it for you. I don't have to. Oh, there I got it. Alright, boys and girls. Whoo! It smells. So, I'm gonna get one of each. So green first, because green usually is more sour. This is the word sour. Alright, the green one is like a white stuff in the middle. Alright. Two-handed. This is really good. Yeah, it's not sour at all. And it's gone. Red one is next. Come on. Whoop. We had the sweeter side for all the later crystals. Maybe that's what I needed. Oh. I was excited about shiny jingle bells. So sweet. Wow. So sweet, but it does have that little zing to it. So. That's really good. The gummy licorice, licorice is gummy, a little bit of a tang to it. Yeah. Plus, it's Christmas, so you can put it in your stockings. Got red rose stuff on. And kind of green was on the end. Maybe it lost its sour. But yeah. Merry Chrysler. Hi.